Hey everyone, in this video, let's find out how you can use Cheaterbuster AI. In order to do so, here we are at cheaterbuster.com. And what is Cheaterbuster all about? Well, you can search Tinder profiles with AI safe and easy in order to find out whether or not somebody's cheating on you. So it's pretty straightforward. First off, you are going to want to sign up. So up here at the top right hand corner, you can do that. And you're also going to need a subscription as well. So here at the bottom, you can see that you can manage subscriptions. You can also buy credits, but you can see here, just here in the main screen, we can specify who we're searching for. So let's go ahead and we'll enter in a name. We'll just use my name. And here you could see that you can specify the age, you could specify the gender, and you can specify where might they last have used Tinder. So you can enter in an address and you can even upload a photo. And once you've done all that, then you can click on get results and you can see if that person has been using Tinder without you knowing it. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. And don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description, you will find a link to our link tree. There you will find our top AI recommendations. Click on any of those links to get started. You'd be helping us out as well, and we would greatly appreciate it.